Hey everybody, Claire Worley, Metaphor Business Coaching, and this is your Friday tip. And I'm in the car, but I am just outside of the Royal Sutton Coldfield Business Fair. So this Friday's tip is all about finding out what's going on to you locally to help you and your business. So the business fair today was exhibiting lots of great businesses from around Sutton Coldfield and surrounding areas, and they also put on a speed networking and the growth hub, and the local universities were talking about what services they offer for local businesses. It's a great networking opportunity. There were lots of people there, lots of faces that I've seen in the past and worked with in the past. So it's really great to connect with all those people and just to find out what's going on, keep inspired, keep motivated, keep meeting new people, and finding out what new products and services I can either give to my clients or help them enhance their own businesses. So it's really good for lots of reasons to get along to your local business fair, find out when they are, get yourself booked in. Have a great weekend and see you soon.